Welcome to the MRP game. In this simulation, you take on the role of a supply chain planner. Your mission is to master the flow of goods using the famous Material Requirements Planning Method, or MRP. In this game, you must forecast demand, calculate a plan, and share your needs with your partners. Let's look at the gameplay using the retailer as an example. In the game, you'll have a client and a supplier. Here, my client is the end consumer, played by the computer, and my supplier is the distributor. The game runs in weekly cycles. Your goal is to order the right quantity to maintain an ideal stock level. Be careful. Having too much stock generates holding costs of 50 cents per unit. But having too little leads to back orders. These cost $1 per unit and represent clients waiting for their goods. Your total cost accumulates every week. So, how do we play? At the start of every week, watch the animation. You will see the flow of goods, incoming receipts from your supplier, and outgoing shipments to your client. In this example, I started with 8 cases. I received 4 and shipped 4. So in the end, I still have 8 cases in stock. Remember that each case in stock generates $0.5, so this week my cumulative cost increased by $4. If you don't have enough stock to fulfill the demand of your client, the missing quantities are put as back orders. These quantities need to be fulfilled. Your client will be waiting for them. After the animation, the planning phase begins. As a retailer, start by opening the Forecast tab. Here, you can analyze your sales history and read marketing insights provided by the system. Based on this data, you can apply a forecasting model and then fine-tune the numbers manually by simply clicking and dragging the chart to adjust for specific events. Next, click Calculate Plan. The system automatically looks at your forecasts, your current stock, and your safety stock parameters to generate a requirement plan. Keep in mind that the demand signal flows from client to supplier. This means that if you are playing as a distributor or manufacturer, you must wait for your client to calculate their plan first. Once they are done, their needs will appear in your plan. Once calculated, the system suggests an order quantity for the current week to meet your future needs. Because there is a lead time, in this example 2 weeks, the order you place now will arrive later. You are always planning ahead. Close the planning window to return to the main map. Here, you can clearly visualize the upcoming supply and future plans. Trucks represent confirmed orders that are already on their way to you. Clouds represent future plan proposals that haven't been ordered yet. If the plan looks good, click Confirm Order to validate your supply for this week. Once all players have validated their orders, the game automatically advances to the next week, repeating the same cycle: animation, planning, and execution. If a player is missing, his role is played by the computer. You can see the current week at the top of the screen. The game will last for an unknown number of weeks. Now it's time to play. Join your role, communicate using the MRP system, and optimize your supply chain. Good luck.